The brink is where the world just drops out from underneath your feet. You come over the edge and you just free fall for a bit and you gain so much speed and you're going straight into a fence and you have to somehow execute this crazy turn.
Onto the brink, onto the face. It is all glare ice. Sharpen those skis, boy, because you're gonna need it to carve into this Colorado snow.
Coming off the flyway at Beaver Creek, you know, it's flat. You've got about 20 seconds of just mellow gliding behind you. Take a couple last deep breaths and you kind of look out over the skyline and you plunge over the brink. And all of a sudden, you just see the finish arena pretty much, and the ice, the wind always blows over the brink and makes it really icy. So you got a left foot turn, right foot turn, you're just hanging on, all of a sudden you're really awake.
It all starts right now as you come across this right footer and drop over the brink. Hey everybody, in a couple months when this isn't open, not for racing, ski this World Championship downhill course because it is an incredible ride. A little bit of a mistake coming over brink.